I'm Suzanne Weeks, and I'm the CEO of SIAM, and I'm also the PI on this wonderful NSF grant that's funding this convening through DMS grant right there. Most of you, hopefully, if you're not a member of SIAM, hopefully once you clicked on the link for the quantum convening to register, you learned a little bit about SIAM. But I have to, by my own order, say what we are about. So SIAM is a professional society, a nonprofit professional society or association, and we are an independent nonprofit publisher. And our mission, and we're meeting our mission today, it's to advance the application of mathematics and computational science to engineering, industry, and society, promote research, and we do that in various ways that will lead to effective new mathematical and computational methods and techniques, provide media for the exchange of information, right, among researchers and the society. We do that through our various publications, SIAM News, all these things, and be a source of information for both public and private agencies regarding the state of the fields. And I think you'll find through the next, our 3 days together, that we are hitting each parts of our mission. Good. So very, very first thing I must do, and this is going to be an action activity in that, I'd like the convening steering committee members just to stand up and wave. We could wave to you, and I'll call. First, we have Dee Fung from Duke University. Thank you, Dee. Lior Horesh from IBM. There we go for Lior. David Hyde from Vanderbilt University. Hi, David. Annie Imperatrice at SIAM, who is outside letting people in. You would have all met Annie and received several emails from Annie. Read her emails. She takes time to craft it just right. Jeff Larson from Argonne National Lab is over there. Thank you, Jeff. Bashir Mohammed from Intel Corporation. Hi, Bashir is back there. Giacomo Nannicini at University of Southern California is not able to be with us this week. Alex Pothen, you'll hear from today from Purdue University. And thank you very much to our facilitators from No Innovation. So there's Anne-Marie Boss, who is indeed the boss. So she's going to keep us going today. Tim Dunn and Hannah. Hannah does have a last name, but it's just not on my slide, so I apologize, Hannah. So what are our goals? And I'm just repeating information that we've seen before on the website, but I do want to make it clear as I welcome you to our activities for the next 3 days. How many of you identify as a mathematical scientist, meaning mathematician, right, computers? So this convening is focused on you all right? So we want to make more mathematical scientists aware of your need and importance in quantum research, right? Articulate the areas and problems where we can contribute, and increase the participation of researchers in mathematical sciences. So you all have applied and been accepted to come here, but we do want you to go back to your regular life and encourage your students, your colleagues to where they need to be and what sort of work and opportunities there are in quantum research. And hopefully you can, our meals and everything together and our activities, right? It's not just going to be listening to talks. We will have time for discussions. And hopefully you can enter into some research collaborations or partnerships through this. And this will be some work that we're doing, some extra work you may not have known you're signing up for, but to help recommend activities to grow the quantum science and technology workforce and pipeline, okay? So that's going to take some brainstorming and ideas from you. So if you thought this was just come here and listen and take notes, no, you're going to be working and producing stuff on the spot. Okay, good. And I want to say, in addition to thank you to our steering committee members, all of whom are going to be on stage sharing information with us, I would also like to thank all the presenters that have agreed to leave their regular lives and come and share and enlighten us, right? So the list is here, and we will meet everybody as the days go on. And I'm obsessive about doing my slides, and I said to my husband, what color is quantum in your head? In my head, it's purple for some reason. He said gold, of course, and then I'm like, oh, let me put in some gold stuff here. And so we have a presenter from Lawrence Berkeley National Lab, and that's their quantum machine, and IBM. We have several folks from IBM, and then we have at least one person from AWS, Amazon Web Services. So I've just pulled this on, and this is my nod to quantum, which is gold. And I will get to that point. It's not purple. I don't know why I think of it as purple, but it's gold. And so I want to say a special thank you to the National Science Foundation, of course, and the Division of Math Sciences, which in my humble opinion is under great leadership. And with us today, we have Dr. David Manderscheid, who's the Division Director of DMS, and Dr. Junping Wang, you want to wave, Jun, right? Deputy Division Director of Mathematical Sciences, who are here and who have supported this initiative in many ways. And I will stop talking now, and I don't think I'm up on the stage anymore for the next 3 days, and give some time to David for some remarks. Thanks, David.
Good morning. Good morning. So I like how they show my older picture, you know. I'm David Manderscheid. I'm the Division Director of DMS at NSF. I've been in this role just a little under 3 years. I'm a rotator from the University of Tennessee, Knoxville, where I'm a professor of mathematics in the mathematics department. My field of research, number theory, Langland's program representation theory, so not quantum, but quantum is very near and dear to me. I sit on the Quantum Information Sciences Steering Committee for NSF. I also sit on the AI Steering Committee for NSF. And as I said, I am a rotator from the University of Tennessee at Knoxville. There I was also formerly provost and built something called the Oak Ridge Innovation Institute with Oak Ridge Lab. And so that's when I began to learn about quantum, was through that partnership. And I learned more as I came to NSF. And I was particularly impressed when I went to JMM in Boston in 2022 and Peter Shor was giving a talk. And of course, Peter Shor is going to draw a huge crowd. But what impressed me about that crowd was how old they were. They weren't very old. They were a young crowd. This is a field that the young people are interested in, and I'm great to see so many young people here today. You're all young, right? Because you're doing quantum. It is a tremendous opportunity for mathematicians. When I came to NSF, I swear everybody involved in quantum said, how could we get more mathematicians into quantum? How could we get more people designing the algorithms we need? And quantum is gold, by the way. I saw that computer up at IBM when I was there 2 years ago. And once again, same discussion. How can we get more mathematicians involved? There's the obvious ways, post-quantum crypto, something that I've paid a little bit of attention to, algorithms, error correction, the list goes on and on and on. But we at NSF have been looking for ways to get more mathematicians involved because there's tremendous opportunities to use our skill set, and it's something that's very much in demand. So when the SIAM came to us with the idea for this convening for the quantum curious, I love that term, came to us with this idea, we said, go ahead, submit a proposal. We'd love to see it because we want to get more mathematicians engaged. There's great opportunities. There's a great need for our skills here. So thank you for being here. I look forward to hearing the results of this workshop. I look forward to hearing the talks. So thank you so much for coming, and I look forward to seeing the outcomes, the white paper, whatever you produce, but also, most importantly, the research that will have an impact on the future of mathematics and the future of our national security. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you.